All right, you guys did this slide before, but I just wanted to go over it to see if you got your answers right. So it says points A, B, and C are graphed or plotted in the coordinate plane below. Use a graph to write the ordered pair for each point. Remember, the first number is your x-axis. So think about how many times you go over to meet that point. So let's look at point A. Do I have to, I always start where? At the origin. So I always, let me change my color to green. I always start where my two axes intersect. So I start at my origin. Do I have to move over left or right to get to A? No, I don't. It's already on the axis that I want. So my first number, so if I did not have to move over any, my number is going to be 0 for my x-axis. Now, do I have to go up or down? Yeah, I have to go up. How many times? Once, twice. So my y-axis is going to read 2. So the ordered pair for plot A, for point A, is 0, 2. Okay, let's do part B, or plot B. I always start at my origin. I have to go to the right how many times? How many jumps do I have to go to the right? 1, 2, because here it is up there. So my first number in my ordered pair is 2. How many jumps do I have to go up or down on the y-axis? Well, I have to go up how many times? 4 times. So the ordered pair for point B is 2, 4. And then our last one, point C. Where do we always start? On the origin. How many times do I have to jump from the origin left or right? Well, I have to go right 4 times. So my first number in my ordered pair is 4. Do I have to go up or can I stay? I have to go up. I have to go up 1 jump. So the ordered pair for point C is 4, 1.